Okay, let us replace our old brake pads, guys. Here are the new ones. First off, we have to remove this pin lock. Let's use this hex key. Okay, counterclockwise. After we remove the pin, so we have to get this one. Okay, that's it. It's almost metal to metal, so it's better to replace this one. Let us push the piston sideways. Careful with the placement of this one. R stands for right, so it should stay on the right side. Left side. So let us put this pin. Okay, screw, and there it goes. Let's tighten this one. Last but not the least, this little pin. Okay, the pin is in place, so let's try if it really works. Yes. Wow, okay. So ganyan lang po kadali mag-replace ng brake pads. No need na po pumunta sa mga bicycle center. Order lang kayo sa Lazada or sa Shopee. Thank you for watching mga kajuat. I hope you like this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please hit the notification bell, subscribe and share. Bye bye.